Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers also pray for me. I hope you're getting my latest video. So while the wait is over, today I bring some special beautiful crochet doll pattern, amigurumi doll free ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, beautiful ideas, mind-blowing pattern. Beautiful pattern. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, beautiful crochet frock wearing ideas, romper wearing ideas, beautiful shoes, beautiful ideas, beautiful trendy ideas. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Beautiful pattern, beautiful ideas, mind-blowing pattern. Hopefully like this. And you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet amigurumi doll free ideas. Very nice. Hopefully like this. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.